Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Firebase. So here I am facing the one of the issue, that DOME exception, invalid raw EDSPA public key issue. So how we are going to solve this issue, we are going to learn in this video. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. To solve this issue, first of all, let me add this one. So this is the issue. So first of all, that means there is an issue in your public key pair generation. So here we go with this one. So go to your Firebase first, go to the cloud messaging, right? And here we have to generate this key pair is not correct, I guess. So you have to generate a new update, generate key pair new. Okay, so just copy this one token, right? And add this into your Firebase project. So here you need to update this token, update. So just update this one. Okay, so just try to rerun this, and here we have this one. Now you can see that there is no issue. First we will remove this one, allowed, then reload, then there is requesting a handler. So first we will allow this one notifications, then you can see that another problem is just this one, it will be resolved. Now you can see that we are finally able to get this token. Now we will able to send this notifications from the Firebase. Let me go and messaging, because this credentials I am using. Create your first campaign, Firebase notifications, create hello test, send, add and test. This is not coming. Why? Token is again changed. Let me check this. Add this one. This is the same, I guess. Now you can see that the notifications that is there. Okay. So this is how we are able to fix that issue. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.